Jai Hind, I am Prasanth. Today we are going to learn about trade payable turnover ratio. Yesterday we have learned how to calculate trade receivable turnover ratio. Trade payable turnover ratio is another important accounting ratio coming under activity or turnover ratio. So, trade payable turnover ratio, it expresses the relationship between credit purchase and average trade payable. So, from this explanation, it is very clear. Trade payable turnover ratio is calculated to find out within how many days the amount to be paid to the creditors or suppliers. That means the amount to be paid by the company to the creditors and the amount of bills payable. This ratio is very important. It indicates within how many days the companies are paying the amount of credit purchase. That is why it expresses the relationship between credit purchases and average trade payable. So it is very easy to calculate. The equation related to average trade payable is also there. Then we have to calculate trade payable period. Trade payable turnover ratio is equal to credit purchases divided by average trade. Like the same in the case of trade receivable turnover ratio, there it is credit revenue, here it is credit purchase. So we have to calculate the value of credit purchase. The question is directly explaining the amounts of credit purchase, no need to calculate. If the total amount of credit purchase is given, we can use the data directly. Then we have to find out the average trade payable period also. So average trade payable period can be calculated like the same in the case of trade receivable turnover ratio. The number of days divided by trade payable turnover ratio. So we have to keep in mind some important points. The average trade payable and what are the things we have to remember in this ratio. Like I said, trade payable turnover ratio is calculated to analyze the average payment period. The average payment period. Average payment period means within number of days we have to repay the amount of creditors and bills paid. But only by calculating this ratio, we can identify how much time will be taken to repay the amount. To pay the amount, how many days we will take, the company will take to repay. So we have to remember all these points. So the idea will be very clear by solving on problem. So the informations are directly given. In this question, the total amount of credit purchase is given, the amount of opening trade payable is given, closing year's value also given. So nothing to do more. We can calculate the ratio very easily. We can calculate first the value of average trade payable. How we can calculate? We can calculate the value by using the equation average trade payable is equal to 3 lakh, the opening year's value plus the closing year's value divided by 2. So we will get the average trade payable, that is 2 lakh. Then we can apply the amounts directly in the equation to calculate the value of trade payable turnover ratio. So the equation is credit purchases divided by average trade payable. So the amount of credit purchase 6 lakh divided by the amount of average trade payable that we have calculated 2 lakh. So the answer is 3 times. 3 times we will take to repay the amount of creditors and bills payable. And we have to calculate the period of days, the average payment period. Average payment period. In trade receivable turnover ratio, we calculated average collection period. Within how many days we will collect the amount of debtors. But here, in trade payable turnover ratio, we are calculating the payment period, average payment period. So very easy, number of days in a year divided by the trade payable turnover ratio. So 365 divided by the ratio, the amount is 3 times. So we will get the value on 22 days. I think it is very clear. It is very simple to calculate this ratio. So it is easy to remember also. Suppose when you go through another questions, if the amount of credit purchase is not directly given, you can calculate. You can calculate if the amount of cash purchase is given and also the total purchase is given. Just calculate the value of credit purchase by deducting the amount of cash purchase from total purchase. Then you will get the value of credit purchase. So it will be very easy to calculate the ratio. So hope you understand the concept of trade payable turnover ratio. You can develop this concept by watching more videos, by solving maximum problems related to this. You can do yourself maximum application level questions also. Lot of books are available. You can use it and develop the concept very well. We will meet in the next video and keep in touch by subscribing my channel and pressing the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye.